Hi, welcome to lesson 7. Notes on the third and the fourth strings. Probably we are going to add the fifth and then the sixth strings. Our main objective is that you are expected to identify all the notes on the third, the fourth, and the fifth and the sixth strings. Let's begin. We are beginning from the third string, and we're going to name the notes from the first fret up to the 12th fret. Good. So if we have third string to begin, the first fret over here is G sharp, then A, B flat, B, C, C sharp, D, E flat, E, F, F sharp, J. Now when we pick the fourth string, the first fret over here is E flat, then E, F, F sharp, J, J sharp, A, B flat, B, C, C sharp, D. Then when we pick the A string, the first fret is B flat, B, C, C sharp, D, E flat, E, F, F sharp, J, J sharp, A. Then when we pick the C string, the first fret becomes F, F sharp, J, J sharp, A, B flat, B, C, C sharp, D, E flat, and then E. So it is expected of you to call these notes and identify them wherever you find yourself, so that in case we are playing and we say we are playing J sharp, we are playing E flat or whatever, you'll be able to identify. Until then, let's meet in the next lesson. Welcome to the assessment session. I'm going to ask you some few questions and then you call them out. Your feedback is needed. Send me a WhatsApp message through my number on the screen now. Now let's begin. Which note is this? What about this note? Question 3. Which note is this? Question 4. The third string. The third string. What note is that? Then my last question. What key or note is this? That is your assessment questions.